In today's video, I will teach you how to do a brutalism photo effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File, then Open, and select the image that you want to edit. In the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer button at the bottom and choose Threshold. Make sure the threshold layer is above your image layer. Then hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac and click the line between the threshold and the image layer to clip it. This will apply the threshold effect only to the image layer below. In the Threshold panel, adjust the threshold level slider to achieve your desired effect. Different images may need different threshold levels, so experiment to see what works best. Now we're going to enhance shadows with the Burn tool. Click on your image layer in the Layers panel. And in the toolbar, select the Burn tool. Then set the exposure to 50%, range to midtones, and choose a soft round brush. Then apply the Burn tool on the image to deepen shadows and enhance contrast, adding a brutalistic aesthetic. In the Layers panel, select both the image layer and the threshold layer by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each one. Then right-click on the selected layers and choose Convert to Smart Object. This combines them for easier editing. Now go to Select, then Color Range again. In the Color Range panel, click on the black area in the image to select the shadows. Then click OK. Now go to the Layers panel and click the New Adjustment Layer button and select Color Fill. Then select the color that you want for the shadows of your image. Then adjust as needed to match the desired brutalism effect. Now go to Select, then Color Range again, and this time select the white area in the image to select the highlights. Then click OK. In the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer button and select Color Fill. Then select the color that you want for the highlights in your image. You can adjust this later if needed to achieve the best contrast and style. You can double-click each color fill layer to change the shadow and highlight colors until you're satisfied with the result. And once you're happy with the brutalist effect, go to File, then Export As, and select your desired file format to save. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.